Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and some of you might have encountered a certain page on the Microsoft website that stated why you should not uninstall Microsoft Edge, and it was giving you reasons to keep Microsoft Edge, including, Microsoft Store apps, Microsoft Widgets, Copilot, and Bing Search. And so the article goes on, or went on, saying, well, if you uninstall Edge, you will lose some features in Windows 11 and Windows 10. And also, it kind of, was misleading, because when they put this page up, you can't actually remove Microsoft Edge without using third-party software to do it. So if you came across this and you don't really know much about, Windows and so on, but you know that you can uninstall stuff, you might have come across, okay, I'm going to go into my settings and go into the apps section and uninstall Microsoft Edge, and notice that it's not uninstallable. So Microsoft quietly ditched the page. So even though you could go here, uninstall was, stays unavailable. Of course, it is uninstallable in their European Union, apparently. But this page was kind of global and made a false, idea that you could uninstall Edge easily. So it's kind of interesting to see that they kind of removed the page. They also removed it and thinking about the fact that, the European Union does require that Microsoft apps be uninstallable, which means if you're in one of the European countries, you do have the uninstall there. It does work. But, you don't want people to know. You got to keep it secret that it's uninstallable in the EU. Anyways, this is the stupid things that Microsoft, does sometimes. Try to kind of hint at something that's not really the reality. I guess it could, cater to some people that are also on, more knowledgeable and know that, I could uninstall Edge, but I'll use a third-party piece of software, like CCleaner and so on. It's just funny that Microsoft takes the time to do these things, and it's just so weird. It's like, secretive and, let's just, remove a page quietly. Nobody will notice. Well, duh. People notice everything that you do. But I don't know. This is how crazy the people at Microsoft are. This is a great example of maybe why Windows has so many problems on 24H2, and there's tons of wasted time doing things that who cares. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.